Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin in a Binance wallet. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance account. This involves providing necessary identification to ensure security and compliance. Once verified, you can easily fund your wallet using a bank transfer or a debit card, preparing you for your first Bitcoin purchase. It's a straightforward process designed for your safety. Once your account is ready and funded, log in to Binance. On the home page, you'll find the Buy Crypto option, usually prominent. Click on this to start the process. You'll then select your local currency, like US dollars or euros, which you'll use to buy Bitcoin. This step ensures you're buying with the correct currency. Now, select Bitcoin or BTC from the available cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount you wish to spend, for example, $100, and the system will show you the equivalent Bitcoin amount. Then, confirm your payment method, whether it's a linked bank account or a debit card. Review all details carefully before proceeding to the next step. Finally, you'll see a summary of your order, including the amount of Bitcoin, the price, and any associated fees. Take a moment to review everything to ensure it's correct. Once satisfied, confirm your purchase within the specified time frame, usually about 60 seconds. Your newly acquired Bitcoin will then be deposited directly into your Binance Spot wallet, ready for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.